Everything in Raj's chart looks fine. Good planets, good houses. Yet some things come through and some never do. Two people in the same dasha arc, one gets the job, the other only waits. Why? The answer is not in the chart. It is in the Ashtakavarga. Ashtakavarga is a scoring system. Each house collects points. These are called bindus. A bindu is one good point. Where it is missing, that is a rekha, a zero. There are 8 givers, the 7 planets and the Lagna. Those 8 together make Ashtakavarga, the eightfold strength. Watch how the grid is built. Each row is one giver. Sun, Moon, Mars, and so on. 8 in all. Each cell is a house. A gold dot means that planet gave that house one bindu. A red slash means it did not. One planet's full row is called its bhinnashtakavarga. Now here is the magic. Add up the bindus from all 8 givers in any one house. That becomes that house's Sarvashtakavarga, its total strength. Add every bindu across the 7 planets and the whole chart always totals $337. That number is fixed. Divide 337 across 12 houses and the average comes to 28. So the rule is simple. Above 30 bindus, the house is strong. Below 25, it is weak. In between, it is moderate. One look at the bars and the eye instantly catches which house is powerful and which is feeble. Look at Raj's chart. The 10th house, career, holds 36 bindus, the highest of all. So effort will pay off, a name will be made. But the 7th house, partnership and marriage, has only 20. Even in such a good chart, this house is weak. And right here hides the seed of delay and friction in relationships. Now the most useful idea, transit, the Gochar. When a planet passes through a house, its result rests on that house's bindu count. Cross a house rich in bindus and it delivers. Cross a house poor in bindus and the very same planet falls flat. The strength is in the house, not just in the planet. Take one example. The transit of Saturn. When Saturn crosses Raj's 10th house, where there are 36 bindus, that same Saturn gives promotion and responsibility, reward for hard work. But when that same Saturn crosses the 7th, with only 20 bindus, it leaves behind strain and delay in relationships. One planet, 2 very different results. Go a little deeper and each house is itself split into 8 small parts. These are called kakshas. When the transiting planet sits in a kaksha that holds a bindu, that stretch is good. If it holds none, it stays flat. But to start, just remember this. More bindus, better results. So what does a real reading actually do? It ranks the houses by strength. The high-bindu houses are where life cooperates. For Raj, that is career, home, fortune. The low ones, partnership, courage, need extra care and effort. This is how priorities get set. But one honest point matters. Ashtakavarga does not replace the whole chart. It refines it, sharpens the timing, tells you which transit will actually show results. It is no prediction machine. It is a map, showing where the ground is solid and where to tread with care. So next time someone says your transit is heavy, ask, how many bindus does that house hold? That is the real question. On Kundlit.com, see an honest Ashtakavarga of your own chart. The strength of every house, clear, and with no fear sold.